Thank you so much. My name is Ogwang Daniel, a teacher at St. Gracious Secondary School. I started my partnership with Field of Hope when I went for a training in 2020. That's when I got to realize about Field of Hope from a friend. From that very moment, I've continuously attended the trainings always organized by Field of Hope. That is always motivating and inspiring to me and even to other teachers, plus even the students. I think the training that we normally have with the Field of Hope and equally the books that we have, it has brought in a lot of changes, because in Uganda most of the time we used to have the teachers to dominate most of the learning process, whereby it's the teacher to enter into class and introduce the topic, is the one that gives information to the learners. But with the books that we got from Field of Hope and equally the trainings that we had, we have understood that it is majorly the learning should be on the student side, whereby they are supposed to guide. So there are some of the instruction in the books of Field of Hope, whereby they guide the students on what they are supposed to do. This one makes the students to be creative and innovative, because most of the time they tend to introduce things that sometimes even the teacher may not be knowing. And also over believing that it's just only the teacher will be knowing everything. I think it might not be right. Just because of this book and the training that we have ever had, we have understood that there are some of the students who are exposed, that they can bring in the new things. That is the creativity that we are talking about. And equally, they can bring in new things, the innovation that can make the learning interesting, and other friends tend to learn from one another. There's that possibility of the student fearing the teachers when the teacher is trying to explain. But when they are with the friends and they are trying to do things hand-on with their fellow friends, they understand deeper. So the training that we have ever had with Field of Hope, we have understood that we can learn from one another. The teacher can learn from the learner, and equally, the learner can learn from a teacher. So it has made agriculture to be more practical. So it means with the guidance of the book, we have understood that agriculture is supposed to be done practically. That will make you to memorize everything that you are doing. Thank you so much.